friends, here I introduce our updated Emsculpt machine. We call it Max 4. Here I show you this machine, front with the white and the gray logo. And this machine with 4 handles. The main update, we add the EMS function. For backside, machine with 4 handles and with air cooling system. Okay, now let's turn on the machine and introduce the function for you. Okay, now we enter the interface. Machine with 2 models for the automatic and the manual. Here we show you the automatic first. We can set in the data here first for the personal and for the female or male and the age range here. The treatment area. Here with more function for the EMS, you can choose M1 and M2. Okay, now we enter the interface for walking. Here we need to set in the intensity and the EMS energy here. Okay, here. Press here. Now the control. Now the channel A is working. The channel A controls these 2 handles, and the channel B controls these 2 handles. Of course, we could also adjust the time here. Usually we adjust the time for 30 minutes. Now we show you the manual interface. Okay. Here we need to adjust the Emsculpt intensity here. And this is control the A channel, this is control B channel. And we could also adjust the frequency here and the time. The frequency we can adjust for max 135. Okay, it's the same. Channel A controls these 2 handles, and the channel B controls these 2 handles. So this machine you can adjust these 2 handles working or all handles working at the same time. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, now the Emsculpt and the EMS function working at the same time. You can see the muscle construction very strong. From the EMS function working more strong, you can put some water on the treatment area. Okay, here we can see this machine with two modes for automatic and manual, and we can set in the languages here. This machine with many languages, you can choose Italian, French, okay. Okay. We also have the seat handle for option. You can use this handle on any channel. Just change it here. Now we can see the seat handle on the channel A. The channel A now control the seat handle. And this handle is also working.